What is going on, guys? Kyle with Finance Bro here. Welcome back to another video, guys. We're talking about Shiba Inu in today's video. As you can see from the past couple of videos, we have kind of mixed it up a little bit as far as what coins we've been talking about. We've tried to been throwing some Saitama in there and just some other coins that we've kind of found interesting and think that you guys would like to know more about. But either way, we're still keeping to our kind of bread and butter here on Shiba Inu. Now we have a lot of pieces of news that I want to cover in today's video, but we're going to kind of cover just first where we've been at recently with Shiba Inu. Right, we're down just about 1.71% here on the day, unfortunately. And guys, this is on public.com. Public is a social investing network app that allows you to see what other people are investing in both the stock and the crypto markets. And we are actually sponsored by and affiliated with Public. And if you guys want to pick up a free stock with Public, you guys can hit the link down in the description below. And not only that, guys, you can also start trading Shiba Inu on their platform now as well. They've just recently added Shiba Inu to their roster of tradable tokens. So if you guys want to hop on there, start trading Shiba Inu and get a free stock all in the same process, you guys can hit the link down in the description below. But either way, guys, going back to Shiba Inu and where we're at right now, again, like I said, down just about 1.71% here at the 5181 level. And again, that's kind of very nice. We're consolidating at a pretty stable and consistent pace. We're not moving drastically in an upward or downward direction, which is what I would pretty much prefer over every other alternative. I would rather see stability with this coin long term than, of course, short term, I guess, huge pumps that could possibly lead to instability, which would obviously lead to huge dumps. Let's go over the ranking real quick here and where we're at as far as ranking goes, guys. Again, unfortunately, Dogecoin is above us still. However, Dogecoin has actually kind of lost its place here, and now instead of USD coin, because yesterday I believe it was, USD coin was in 10th place, now Dogecoin in 10th place, dropping in market value, as you can see. Again, guys, I think this is a temporary pullback that we're experiencing right now with Shiba Inu. I think that there's still plenty of opportunity left for this coin to continue to run at a significant pace, and not only that, but obviously to create new all-time highs, hopefully within the kind of last 2 months here of the year of 2021, if not definitely next year, right? Next year, we know obviously more catalysts, more pieces of news, and just in general, more content, right? It's going to be coming out about Shiba Inu. But again, this is still a very bullish case, in my opinion, for Shiba Inu, even though we're kind of in the red and kind of getting into the kind of this lull and kind of, I guess you could say, boring, right, phase. But again, it's stable, right? And that's what matters. Now, let's hop into the news, guys. We got all kinds of stuff coming in from Shiba Inu news. Also, guys, follow us on Twitter if you guys aren't already. Follow at It's Finance Bro. It's no spaces, no capitals. You guys can find us on Twitter there. We're posting Shib news as well and trying to keep you guys up to date with the latest information. Now, getting into this on the Shiba Inu News Twitter account, as you can see here, update. So the most tweeted crypto hashtags for the past 24 hours are Shib, Saitama, and ETH. That's crazy, guys, considering the fact that Shib is #1 as far as trending hashtags go. It's just a huge sign to me that the community is still extremely strong, extremely prevalent in online conversation about just crypto in general, and especially obviously this coin. But again, a lot of people are still very involved and very aware of what's happening with this coin, which is good news, right? At the end of the day, that is super, super good news, because it means that not only is the community continuing to rally around the idea of the continued success of this coin, but they're also probably still buying the coin, right? They're still buying the dips. There's still plenty of volume, which is at the end of the day, of course, a heavy predictor and driver of price action. Let's get into the next piece of news, guys. Here is really cool. We have a listing. We have a new exchange listing on Gemini. As you can see here, new DeFi, metaverse infrastructure, and data management tokens are now open for deposits and custody. Basically, you can buy them and own them. It's kind of a weird way to say that there, but either way, that's what they mean. As you can see here, at the top of the list, we have Shiba Inu, or Shib, of course, guys. We have Gemini listing this now. We have Kraken that, well, they said they would list it, but again, there really hasn't been an update on whether or not or when Kraken will even list them. But again, guys, exchange listings are always great news. And what's even greater about this too is the fact that they are actually confirmed, like, doing this. There's all kinds of not speculation, rather, there's publications rather of them saying, hey, we're listing it, here's what the details are, here's what you can do. It's starting, I believe, I don't think they gave an exact date here. If we're trying to read through this article really quick here, I don't believe they gave an exact date yet, but this is a thing that's basically coming soon, right? And as you can see here, oh, actually it says now open. So if you wanted to go start trading Shiba Inu on Gemini, in theory, you technically could. Really cool stuff, guys. And just overall, whenever we see exchange listings like this, it tends to be a positive catalyst. Again, the price is not heavily impacted by this. As you can see, we're still down about 1.49%. But again, it's just another thing to add to Shiba Inu's not only relevance, but also I would say its reputation right now, that this coin is tradable on another platform that people can hop on and start to buy and hold this coin as well. Let's get into the last piece of news here. And this is just kind of a cool little victory lap kind of little piece of news. Breaking news, as you can see, Shib passes 955,000 total holders, which is a new record, guys. And that's crazy because considering where we're at right now, November 13, 2021, today is not exactly like where we were at, you know, a couple of weeks or even the month ago, where we saw all-time highs being made like Jesus every single week, right? We were moving at such an incredible pace. And you know, even then we were adding lots of holders, lots of people were buying. But as you can see here, I think now that Shiba Inu is starting to consolidate and flatten out, this is where a lot of the buying is happening, right? This is where a lot of people are saying, hey, I want to get into Shiba Inu, I want to hop in while I can, and it seems like it's kind of stabilizing out. The RSI is starting to kind of flatline at a certain level, and that's where a whale, like somebody who has a lot of money who wants to dump into this coin, is going to be buying most of their tokens at. They want to buy when prices are stable, and especially when prices are down. And arguably right now, prices are down in Shiba Inu, right? We're kind of establishing support at that 5 kind of level, just trading very tightly between like the 5.1, 5.2, 5.3 level, and continuing to do that over a kind of extended period of time. And the longer we continue to do that, in my opinion, not only the more stable the coin will be, obviously, just because the more support it's kind of consolidated at, but also the more likely that future rallies can break out from that support and continue to push higher. So again, the fact that we are now passing 955,000 total holders is just one awesome achievement that the community should be very proud of. But the fact too is that this kind of shows you, hey, there's a lot of people still buying this coin right now. As you can see here, I mean, we're breaking records and we're not even at all-time highs, right? You would think, you know, a lot more people are going to FOMO in, but again, this kind of just shows how successful and how still relevant this coin is in overall the social discourse. Now, you're probably wondering, well, what do you think is going to happen in the next couple of weeks? Where do you think this coin's even going to go? Again, if I look at Shiba Inu from a purely fundamental standpoint, again, this is a long-term hold. This is a hold that I'm holding this coin for years, guys, until this thing hits 1 cent. If it hits it 1 cent sooner, awesome, whatever, right? Maybe I'll sell a little bit, maybe I'll keep holding. But again, I'm holding this for the long term, right? I'm not really too worried about the day-to-day price action that we've been seeing lately. Of course, if it dips below a certain level, and that's a level that I deem, you know, undervalue, right? If it's undervalued at that level, I'll probably buy some, right? That's kind of my MO with that whole thing. But again, I'm still very bullish on this coin overall. I'm still looking forward to the continued expansion and growth of this coin. And overall, guys, again, it's just an awesome thing. And this community has been for us in this channel, and just overall the support that you guys show in every single video. Let us know in the comments below if you guys are still holding strong, what you guys are holding. If you guys aren't even holding Shiba Inu, let us know some other coins that you think we should make videos on. We would love to hear your suggestions, and maybe we'll take a few up and make some videos on them, guys. You never know. But either way, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Also, one quick thing too, make sure to hit that public link if you guys want to pick up a free stock there. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today.